I can't help but see the hand of God everywhere when I'm in nature. Just listen to the sound of the cicada, the crickets chirping. I see butterflies floating around. How do they do that? We, with our human intelligence, design airplanes and helicopters, and they're amazing machines. But can they fly like a butterfly in all different directions? And they're so lightweight, and they get their energy from flowers, which grow everywhere. There's wildflowers here, and I see butterflies getting the nectar from them. How could we ever imagine a human machine fueling up so efficiently, so sustainably? All of the money that we spend, all of our intelligence, and we can't make something which is even close to what the natural world creates. And I look at trees. How can a tiny little seed transform into something so efficient, so beautiful? And even when the tree dies, what happens is the log, the trunk of the tree, becomes food for fungus. It becomes shelter for insects. It all works perfectly in balance. How could there not be a designer of all of this? And you see the clouds. It's a constantly changing painting in the sky. And at sunrise and sunset, a smattering of colors all over the atmosphere. How can you not see the hand of a designer? And if there is a designer, that means there's some purpose. Just like a painter will paint something with a certain message, a certain intention for their art. So, is there some purpose for this world? Are we here for some specific reason? Maybe each of us have a unique mission in this universe. These are the questions that thoughtful people come to when seeing the wonders of nature.